Hello, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'll show you how to install Studio Code on your desktop. Search on your Google Visual Studio Code, and here it is. Click on this link and go to the download for Windows. Choose OS. Click on and go through this website if you want to explore everything of the Visual Studio. What are the links, what are the inbuilt functions, and what are the plugins are used here, and the extensions. And click on the run as administrator and select I accept agreement. Then click on next, then next, click on next, select the create desktop icon and leave all the things as it is, or you can choose any option you want, then install. It is free and open source, so and choose the plugins you wanted. I'll just can say extensions, so it will be easy to make you the inbuilt function when you write particular Python code or any kind of language code in Visual Studio. So it will help you out on its dictionary, inbuilt dictionary. Here it is React. You can select the React, simple React snippet. You can select the UI also, flat UI, Angular UI, according to your requirement. So you can choose any plugins you want. And this is also have a video on this to create a website, create a UI. So stay tuned.